Welcome again to the cupboard. Only one set of instructions will guide the duck, where's the duck, there's the duck, to its castle, there's its castle, avoiding the cat. 1, 2, 3. Which is it? Circle the letter. Now on the paper you had, it will be, it was a flamingo and shells and a nest. But I couldn't get pictures for those, so you're stuck with these. Forward. Now, the thing is if you're doing this in real life, in an exam, it's on a piece of paper. And so the day before the exam, you take your biro and you do a dot on the right-hand side of your pointy finger. And so when you point it along, when you turn right, or you turn towards the dot, and when you turn away from the dot, you're turning left. And that way, these are fairly simple. It's much harder to do it without that. But we are going to try because we are brave souls. So let's see. Forward 3. So the duck is going to go. So there's, hang on. He goes 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, he's bumped into a cat, so it's not A. Let's try a gold route. So B, he goes forwards 2. 1, 2. Forwards 2. Then he turns left. Yeah, now, do you know what I think we're going to do? We're going to put red dot on his right wing, and I'm going to give him a little blue dot on what would be his left wing. I think that will help. Right, so he's gone forwards 2, 1, 2. He turns right, so that will be towards this dot. So he's turning right, hasn't moved anywhere. Forwards 2, 1, 2. Then he turns left, so he's facing this way. That will be his right dot. This will be the left one, so he's now facing that way. Left. Ooh, it's got the wriggles, hasn't it? And facing left, and then he goes forward 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now he turns left again, so he's facing this way, which is the same as that. So left is going to be facing this way, so he faces that way. Faces left, and then he goes forwards 1, 1. And then he turns forwards 1, then he turns right 90 degrees, so he's facing that way. This will be the blue side, this will be the red side. So then he faces right, so he's going to go this way, and he goes forwards 1, 2, 3. Ta-ra! He's landed in his castle. Much harder work doing it like that than it is just with your finger on the paper, knowing which is right and which is left. See you soon.